Guys, I love weekends, but sometimes they are full of little tasks and sometimes just slow mornings. But I'm here with my own simple morning routine that makes things feel calmer and brighter. So, hi guys, welcome back to my cozy corner again. It feels so good to sit here and share a little part of my days with you. Let's begin. Today's day is very calm, but here look, my table is very messy. But before jumping into the cleaning mission, there's something more important waiting for me in the kitchen, and that's momos. Yes, momos. My mom made them today, and honestly, momos are my weakness. They are soft, warm, and filled with that yummy flavor that instantly makes everything better. Once my tummy is happy, I will finally have the energy to face the battlefield. Yes, my messy table. Welcome to another cozy day, another mini adventure, and guess what? The day started with a little shock. I literally said that, oh no, why today? It broke, guys. So, guys, today's a little different. I actually have a skin doctor appointment, and honestly, I feel so shy about filming outside of my house. Like the moment I take out my camera, I feel people might stare, and I just got nervous. Okay, guys, I finally got myself a new one. And guess what? This time it's pink. Now it's finally time for my study session. Did you guys see my short video about backlogs? Yes, I already told you about how many backlogs I have been collecting these days. Honestly, it's not even funny anymore. And even in weekends, I have extra classes, guys. In the evening, I decided to change the vibe a little bit. Instead of studying on my usual desk, I moved to my mini table on floor. It feels like such a good and cozy choice, guys. Sitting close to the floor and sunlight makes everything feel so warm and calm. So here is today's weather report. The sky is fully pink. Actually, I love pink color. So guys, this is the last study session I am doing here. I'm going to my bed as soon as I can. So guys, today I'm going for shopping and I'm so excited. I have been planning this for some days and finally I decided to buy a phone stand. At first I was thinking about a tripod, but then I realized no, not tripod, just a cute and simple phone stand will be perfect for me. I'm so happy, guys. After that, me and my mom decided to visit another shop, just like little household stuff and cute essentials. Okay guys, now it's time for a little unboxing haul. So here it is, my brand new phone stand. And the best part, along with the stand, I got this tiny remote. It connects to my phone through Bluetooth. So without even touching my phone, I can take photos and record videos, like literally click and done. I'm honestly so excited to use this because it feels like a small upgrade for my channel. Not too fancy but still useful. So that's all for today's vlog. Thank you for spending time with me. Bye.